So I put a call out a couple of weeks ago for a instrument cluster bezel, the big plastic part that holds the instruments in. And my man Billy hooked me up with this guy here. And as you can probably guess, I'm doing something with this. So as you saw in that previous clip, my man Billy hooked me up with this instrument cluster surround, the bezel, and I wasn't exactly sure the way I was going to do it. I saw that Austin and the gang at Small Car did a similar thing installing the SpeedHut gauges. Theirs looks super clean. What they did was they just put the SpeedHut gauges exactly where the Vanagon gauges would go, so it looks super factory and super slick. That seemed like a lot of work to me. Plus I have access to some 30 plus years of design experience, and I make a lot of plastic parts, so it just seemed intuitive that I would just build something to put on top instead. And what I came up with has caused quite a stir in the Vanagon community with these beauties. It's just the surround. It looks like this, and it pops in. I did find out that for whatever reason, probably from the years and years and years of baking in the sun and whatnot, that one side was different than the other side, just slightly, but a mirror image would not fit exactly, so I had to tweak it. So I think I'm going to start selling these inserts, so you can build something similar to what I have here, or I'm going to, well, not or, probably also I'm going to offer the service of assembling a dash that looks just like this. I'm talking to SpeedHut now about becoming a vendor. So the intermediate stage for me was thinking that I could just take the plexiglass out of the top of this, and it comes out pretty easily, more or less. And I wanted to slide the SpeedHut gauges right in through the front and just put the securing nut on the back. So I spent a lot of time cutting all this off. I drilled a bunch of holes in there and snap it off with the pliers, and ground some stuff down with the Dremel and made it so it would fit and everything, and it just doesn't fit right. I'd really have to butcher this even more if I was to do that. So I abandoned that plan, and that's when I came up with this adapter. I like it much better. So this is the way I'm going. I have somebody who says he has a bunch of these bezels, so as soon as they respond, hopefully I could acquire those, and I can make a bunch of these completed units like this. I guess I could do it on an exchange basis as well. I do that with the Porsche short shift kits that I have. I send a completed installed kit in a shifter box, and the customer sends back their stock shifter box, and I just take the stock components out, put the new short shift kit in, and send it back out again. I mean, I could do that with these as well. I'd kind of rather have my own stock though, because these are kind of rare, and if I break it, then I would feel incredibly bad for the customer. Just the way I roll. So But I'm going to figure this out. Like I said, I'm still waiting to hear back from SpeedHut and also from that other person with the bezel. So hopefully I'll hear back soon and we can get rolling on this. I know it's caused quite a stir, rightly so, because it looks damn good. This one is missing this piece. I'm not exactly sure what to do there, so if somebody has an extra one of those, let me know, and I'd certainly purchase that from you so I can make this one complete. And if nobody wants to buy this one from me, then I will install it in my van. So I don't really care about the back side. It's kind of ugly because all the trimming I had to do, but you can't see it anyway. All you're going to see is this loveliness here. So anyhow, that's one of the many things I have going on in my background. So hope you're having a good day. Today's Friday. You should take some time to relax today, and tomorrow is Saturday, so Saturday should be the day for doing projects on your van, because spring is coming. Even though it's snowing kind of hard right now here in Buffalo, we won't pay attention to that. We're going to focus on van stuff tomorrow. So be good, everyone. Cheers.